I created a game that appeared to be run by JIGSAW.
Hello, Edgar. You're about to play a game. 5 lives are in your hands. Follow my instructions exactly.
I gotta choose who dies, them or me! I'm not fucking dying!
What kind of firearm do you use?
Glock 22. Most cops do. Except Talon, he's got a 17.
9x19 Parabellum. That's a Glock 17.
The blood under the fingernails of our first victim. It's John Kramer's blood.
Some will think it's JIGSAW. Some will suspect you. But no one will suspect me.
Okay, we need to bring him in. Now!
Because Eleanor will provide my alibi. Ten years ago, I came out of the war a broken man. JIGSAW put the pieces of my life back together again. He gave my life purpose.
We can never come from anger or from vengeance. You taught me that.
But then there will be no justice.
Ah, but there will. Because we'll speak for the dead.
Together, we built a legacy.
Now I speak for the lives ruined by people like you. Murderers, rapists, their victims appeared on my table because of you.
No.
I speak for the dead.